Hmm. Good afternoon, all.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Last class,
Good afternoon, ma'am.
last class, we discussed parts of the day. Are you remembering parts of the day? Okay. Abhinav, can you tell me which are the parts of the day? Abhinav, please unmute and tell me which are the parts of the day. Abhinav, which are the parts of the day?
Morning,
See, Abhinav will tell me the answer. Abhinav, tell me the answer. Unmute and tell me. I can't hear you. Now start.
morning.
Very good. Morning.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Abhinav, morning. After that.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Abhinav, tell me morning.
Morning,
Afternoon.
afternoon,
Evening.
ma'am, right? Evening,
And night.
night.
Tell me once more. Morning.
Morning,
Afternoon.
afternoon,
Evening.
evening, night.
And night. Okay. Abhinav, also tell me one of the activity we will do in the morning. One activity which we will do in the morning. Any one activity.
Brush.
Brushing the teeth. Very good. Okay. Now afternoon. One activity. Afternoon.
Reading.
Tell me. Afternoon. Any one activity. Afternoon we have our lunch. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Very good. Then what about evening? What we will do evening? Any one activity.
Playing. Playing.
Playing. We will play in the evening. Okay, good. Then what about the night?
Sleep.
Sleep. Very good. Very good, Abhinav. Okay. So we
Sleep.
know which are the parts of the day: morning, afternoon, evening, and night. Now, do you know how many hours are a day? Day means how many hours?
Sunday, Monday.
No. I asked not a different
24
day.
hours.
24 hours. Okay. Listen to me. 24 hours. A day means there will be 24 hours. Okay. A day means we have 24 hours. Now let me share the screen here and listen to me. Okay. See, please listen to me. So just I am going to draw one clock. Let us see what I am going to tell. So one day means one day is no need to write now. Listen to me. One day is equal to 24 hours. One day means it is 24 hours. Now let us draw the clock for one day. Okay, one day. So it's starting from morning, early morning. Okay, that time you all were sleeping. Early morning. Okay, then we will start with the one. Okay, early morning, very early, very early. You all were sleeping that time. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Sometimes some students will wake up at 6 o'clock. Yes or no? Is there anyone at 6 o'clock? No one. Okay. 7. Is it correct? Now 7 o'clock you will wake up. Yes or no?
Malavika.
Very good. Very good. 7
Ma'am,
o'clock. Okay, good. Now 8. Okay. Now, sometimes the school bus will come at this time to your stop.
Ma'am, Muhammad Rishad.
Okay. Now listen to ma'am. So we started from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So sometimes you will wake up at 7 o'clock. You at your place, school bus will come or reach at 8 o'clock, and 9 o'clock you may be reach the school. Yes or no? And 9 we will start our school. Okay. So 10,
Yes, ma'am.
11, 12. So this 12, what will happen? Usually 12 here, we have our lunch. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes,
this
ma'am.
12, we have our lunch.
Yes, ma'am.
So
We
this
have
12
our
is
lunch.
known as
We
12
have
noon.
our lunch.
Okay? 12 noon. 12 noon.
Mine.
Another-
Right?
No. Listen to ma'am. Listen to ma'am. Midday. Okay? Another name for 12 noon. That is midday. Okay. midday. Midday. Please listen to ma'am. Please listen to ma'am. See, we started from early morning. Early morning. That means at 1, 2, 3, you may be sleeping. Okay. So 1, 2, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, you may be
8 o'clock.
waking up. 8 o'clock you may the bus will reach at your place and you will get into the bus, and 8:30 you may be, or after 8 you will come to the school. 9 o'clock we will start here. Okay. 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, this much time we will study in the school. Then at 12 o'clock we have our lunch. Yes or no? Yes. So this 1 to this 12, this time, this much time. Okay. This much time we will call it as morning. Okay. This much time we will call it as morning. 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 Okay. Now here 12 noon. What is another name for 12 noon? Another name for 12 noon. What we will call?
Meeting.
The
Afternoon.
time at 12 noon is known as midday. 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 The time at 12 noon is called midday. 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 Now after 12, again we'll start 1 o'clock. No? Afternoon 1? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So 1, 2, 3, 4. See, up to 3:45, we will pack up from here and we will go back to home. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes,
Then
ma'am.
4 o'clock, 5 o'clock. So this much time, see, from 12 noon to this 5 o'clock, we will call it as afternoon. Okay? Afternoon. So 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, up to 5, it's afternoon. So this much time you can say good afternoon. If you are wishing others, you can say good afternoon. Then after 5,
1 o'clock, 2
now
o'clock,
6,
3 o'clock, 4
7,
6 o'clock,
8,
7 o'clock,
9,
8 o'clock.
10, 11, 12 again will come. Okay. So this starting from 5 to 8, this much time, no? That we will say evening.
Evening.
Okay. And this will be night. And this 12, this is known as midnight. 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 So shall we do one more time? Shall we do one more time? Listen to ma'am. 1 day means is equal to 24 hours. And we are starting from 1 o'clock. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This much time. This is known as morning. This is known as morning.
Morning.
Known as morning. Who is talking there? Please mute your device and talk. So listen to ma'am once more, okay? Okay. So 1 day means it is 24 hours, and we are starting from 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock. So this much time. That means 12 midnight to 12 noon. This is known as morning. Okay. And at 12 noon, we will say midday. 12 noon, another name. 12 noon is known as midday. Then again we will start from again 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock. So up to 5 we will say afternoon. Then 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, that much time we have evening. 9, 10, 11, again we will reach again 12 midnight. So one whole day is completed. Okay. So the time between 12 midnight to 12 noon, this part of the day. See, this part of the day, we will call it as morning. Tell me the time
The time
between
between
12 midnight
12 midnight
to
to
12 noon.
12 noon.
What we will call that?
Morning.
Morning. Very good. Now, the time at 12 noon, what we will call? The time at 12 noon?
Night.
Midday. Here. We reach here only. The time at 12 noon, call it as midday. Okay. Now, the time between noon to 12 noon.
Midday.
Okay? Noon to 12 midnight. This one. Okay. Come afternoon, evening, and night. Who's calling, ma'am? Tell me louder. Tell me louder. No one is here. Now let me ask. Okay. Now, Mohammed Arshan, listen to ma'am. See what we will call 12 midnight to 12 noon. What we will call this time? 12 midnight to 12 noon. What we will call?
Morning.
Morning. Very good. Now let me ask another one. Okay. Manav, what is another name for 12 noon or the time at 12 we will call it as? Midday. M-I-D-D-A. Why? Midday. The other name for 12 noon is called midday. Okay? Now, Zara, listen to ma'am and look at the screen. The time between 12 noon and 12 midnight. Here will come which all things? Afternoon or evening or night. Okay, Zara?
Night.
12 noon to 12 midnight will come afternoon or evening or night. So here we can see from 12 noon to 5 o'clock. That much time we will say what?
I don't see you.
Afternoon. Okay. Now 5 to 8 o'clock. This much time. What we will say?
Evening.
Evening. Very good.
Evening.
Now 9, 10, 11, 12 it will go night. Okay.
Midnight.
This 12
Midnight.
is known as 12 midnight.
Night. 12
12
midnight.
Now I'm going to stop sharing. Okay. So let us write in the notebook. What we are going to write in the notebook? Parts of the day. First we will
Of
the time between 12 midday to 12 noon. We will call it as morning. And the time at 12 noon is called day. And the time between midday to midnight.
midnight.
That will come afternoon, evening, and night. Okay. See,
Afternoon,
evening 5 o'clock, we have afternoon. So that much time you have to wish good afternoon. Up 5
Good
o'clock to
afternoon.
8 o'clock, you have evening. So that time you have to
Evening.
say good evening. Okay.
Good
After that we
evening.
have night. So all of you please take your notebook fast.
Night.
Take fast. Tell me who's calling. Aya Sakir is calling. If you can't hear or if you can't see me, please check your connection. Okay. I'm going to share the screen now. Listen to me. Are you ready with the notebook? Are you ready with the notebook?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Yes, tell me. Okay, now let us write. Okay, parts of the day. P
B.
P P P A R T S parts. O F of T H E the D A Y day.
R. T. I'm right.
Yes, yes. Take notebook. Take a fresh page and write.
Parts
Parts of the
of
day.
the day.
Okay, good.
Parts of the day.
P A R T S parts. O F of
Part of the
DAY,
day.
parts of the day. Now let us write the first point. Okay, you can put a small bindi. Now you can start. T H E the
The
T H E the T I M E T I M E time. The time.
the time.
T I M E time.
The time.
B E T W E E N between.
B
The time
E
between.
W
B E T W double E N between. The time between.
the time between the time between
12
12
midnight. MIDNIGHT midnight.
MID
NIGHT between 12 midnight. MIDNIGHT
N parts of the day. The time between 12
AND and
HT
12 noon. NOON
and
the time between 12
12
midnight and
12
noon.
and no. Ma'am, that's W.
Which one? This is W. BETWEEN between 12 midnight and 12 noon is called. What we will call?
12 C A L L E D.
What we will call? The time between 12 midnight to 12 noon. What we will call?
Morning.
Morning. Very good.
Midday.
RNING. Morning. See, the time between 12 midnight to 12 noon is called morning.
RN ING.
MORNING. Morning.
MORNING. Can I see the board? Yeah.
Time between
Ma'am,
12
finish.
midnight.
Ma'am, finish.
Morning. Now next point. Okay. You can start in a new line. Time.
Ma'am, I am not finished.
Okay, right.
Ma'am, I cannot see the board.
You please check your connection. Here everything is okay. So please check your connection. Those who can't see,
Ah.
take your connection. The time
The time
80.
at
1 to 12.
1 to 12. The time that
12 noon. The time at 12 noon IS is, take time and write. I will wait for you. Okay. The time at 12 noon is called,
right.
time at 12 noon is called dash.
Midday.
Very good. What we will call?
Midday.
Very good. MIDDAY. 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 The time at 12 noon is called midday. One more point is there. Okay. Only 3 points. The first one, the time between 12 midnight and 12 noon is called morning. The time at 12 noon is called midday. Let me start the third point. Let me
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
THE again. The THE. The
time.
THE.
The
TIME. The time.
The time.
BETWEEN. Between.
Between.
The time between.
BETWEEN. Between.
The time between. NOON.
Noon.
Noon. The time between noon. The time between noon.
The time between
AND. And
and
the time between noon and 12.
12. 1.
12. Midnight. MIDNIGHT.
Midnight.
The time between noon and 12 midnight. MIDNIGHT. Midnight.
Midnight.
IS is
is called CALL.
from 12 noon to 12 midnight. What all part of the day will come? What all part of day will come? They will come.
Evening.
Before evening, what will come?
Morning. Afternoon.
Afternoon. Then afternoon, evening,
Afternoon.
and
Morning.
ma'am, afternoon, evening,
NIDD.
and
Afternoon, evening, night.
and night.
Night.
And time. So let us write
NIDD.
time between noon and 12 midnight is called afternoon. AFTER. NOON. Afternoon or evening or night. NIGHT. Night.
Ma'am.
Yes, tell me.
Ma'am.
Yes, tell me.
First, first you write. I show.
I will show you the first point. Can you see the first point? The time between 12 midnight and 12 noon is called morning.
No, ma'am. First, second.
Second is here. The time at 12 noon is called midday.
The time between that second.
No. The time at 12 noon. Only that much. Second point. 12 noon. Other name is midday. The 12 noon. That is also called as midday. And third point.
Ma'am,
Yes,
not finished my.
you can continue. No problem. Only these points. Only 3 points. We have enough time. 5 more minutes is there. You please write.
Two question not my finished. Andrew, finish.
Prarthana, you continue. We have time.
Okay, ma'am. WhatsApp you.
That I will sure. But you can write now. We have time. The time at 12 noon is called midday. How much you can write? That much you write now. So those who have completed, please read. No need to unmute, you read. The time between 12 midnight and 12 noon is called morning. The time at 12 noon is called midday. Then the time between noon and midnight is called afternoon or evening or night.
Ma'am,
Yes, tell me.
Anaya complete.
Okay, very good, Anaya, very good. You try to read.
Ma'am, Sarah completed.
Okay, those who have completed, please read yourself. You please
Ma'am,
mute,
Javanjali read.
please mute and read
Ma'am,
yourself. If you have any doubt, just ask me.
Ma'am, Javanjali read.
Reading also finish. You understood? What you written, you understood?
Ma'am,
Yes, tell me.
Adam finish.
Okay, good boy. So time between 12 midnight and 12 noon. What we will call Adam? 12 midnight to 12 noon. What we will call? What we will call? 12 midnight
Morning.
to 12 noon.
Morning.
Morning. Very good. The time at 12 noon. What we will call? Adam. What we will call?
Afternoon.
See, the time at 12 noon. The other name for 12 noon. What is that?
Middle.
Midday. What is
Midday.
spelling midday?
Middle.
What is spelling midday? MIDDAY.
M I D
Ah,
D A Y.
very good,
Midday.
Sarah. Then, next point. The time between noon and 12 midnight. Okay, so that much time. What all parts of the day will come?
Afternoon.
Evening and night. Okay, afternoon, evening, and
Evening.
night. Up
9.
to 5 o'clock we have afternoon. up to 8 o'clock. 5 to 8 o'clock we have evening. Then the remaining portion we have nights. Okay. You understood?
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes,
these three
ma'am.
points you have to by heart it. So when is morning, when is afternoon, evening and night, and what is another name for 12? Noon.
Ma'am,
Yes, tell me, Anaya.
Anaya, reading also finish.
Okay, okay. Then let me ask you the question.
Yes, ma'am.
So tell me the answer. The time between 12 midnight and 12 noon is called dash. What is the answer, Anaya? 12 midnight to 12 noon. What is the answer?
Midday.
12 noon is midday. That's right only. But 12 midnight to 12 noon. That much time. That we will call midnight.
Morning.
Very good. Morning. Very good. Then the time between noon to 12 midnight. Just opposite. Noon to midnight. What we will call? Means what all parts of the day will come? It will come afternoon.
Afternoon.
After afternoon we have evening, and evening after evening we have night. Okay, so up to 12 noon we will wish others morning. Then up to 5 o'clock what we will wish? Afternoon. Good afternoon. Okay.
Afternoon.
Up to 8 o'clock means 5 to 8
Good
we say
afternoon, ma'am.
good evening.
Good evening.
Then after 8 o'clock we will say good night. Okay.
Good night.
Okay, very good. So let me stop sharing. Prarthana completed. It's time to winding the session today. So the same thing I will put in the group.
Ma'am, Anna completed.
Okay, very good, very good. Okay, now I'm going to stop sharing. Okay.
Ma'am,
So the
Ma'am,
same thing I will put in the group also. Okay. Bina.
ma'am is completed.
Okay, good, good. Very good.
Ma'am, Anna completed.
Okay, Manav, very good, very good. Okay, Adityan, which are the parts of the day? Adityan, Annika, tell me which are the parts of the day? Now,
Afternoon,
very good.
evening,
Yes, and nights. Okay, so I
night.
put some these things again in the group. Okay, so thank you for joining. Bye bye. See you
Thank
next
you, ma'am.